in this week's video, what I made is really nothing that's fancy or spectacular. It's simply a plywood or sheet goods support for the table saw. And it's simple, it's easy, it's cheap, it's fast to build. It's all 2x4 construction. I had a couple of pairs of spare hinges kicking around the shop. Way too big for this project, but it's what I had, so I used them. I didn't have to buy them. 2x4s. I had a whole bunch of 2x4 scraps laying around, so I used what I had and made a simple, handy tool. It's easy for me. When I'm working by myself, it's like having an extra pair of hands. Adds a little bit more stability when I'm feeding full sheets of plywood onto my table saw. And I didn't have one, I needed one, so I put one together and I videotaped the process. But I did make a set of plans. I did a drawing because that's what I use to work by. And this drawing right here is available as a free PDF download, and it's available down in the video description. And you can download the PDF, you can build one yourself, you can follow. All the information's here because I built mine from this plan and I had no problems. And oh yes, the dimensions are in both imperial and metric. So for my metric friends, you'll see it may not be exact. You might have to adjust the dimensions are simply converted from the imperial dimensions. So that means instead of even numbers, like here it says 708.03 millimeters. Well, you're probably going to make that 708 millimeters in all reality. But at least they're there. You have a good idea of the relationship of the sizes. So I'm Paul Bennett. I'm here at Downeast Thunder Creations in Millbridge, Maine. I'd like you to please subscribe to my video YouTube channel. That would be helpful. Please like, please share. If you're subscribed, you're automatically entered in my random drawing giveaways that I have from time to time. The next one coming up when I reach 400 subscribers, and then 500 and so on. Next week where I'm looking at building a paint and adhesive. It's a mobile paint and adhesives storage cart. So you can hold all your different adhesives and caulking guns and glues and epoxies in cans and various cans of paint, whether they big gallon cans, quart cans, spray cans, the rectangular type cans that hold solvents and things. It's going to hold all that, and it's on wheels. And the whole idea is that you can move it into warm areas during the winter so all your paint doesn't freeze and go bad. So that's next week. And there will also be free plans for that. I've already begun construction. So thank you for watching. Here's the rest of the video. No, that's not good. Thanks.